Hello, dear children. Greetings from New Vision Educational Society. I hope by now all of you have received your username and password of a new e-learning website. Yeah, and I also expect you have successfully onboarded and started learning. This is a one-stop solution to manage all your learning activities. In this tutorial today, let us learn how to write an object oriented exam in the website and also how to check your results. Object oriented exam, when I say, I mean it can be a slip test, a worksheet, a practice test, or any MPC or other subject related exam. So let us see. So please log into the website with your credentials. Once you are inside, please click on your name region where you can find it here. Once you click there, you can find dashboard. Click on it. Just scroll down. This is where all your upcoming activities are notified. So if I see for my login, I have a scheduled exam, chemistry slip test opens at today 4 p.m. The same chemistry slip test is closing today at 6 p.m. This means my teacher in the chemistry subject has scheduled an exam at 4 o'clock today and is closing at 6 o'clock. 2 hours duration I have. So generally teachers will give you like this. If the exam duration is only for 30 minutes, they will give you at least 2 to 3 hours of open and closing timing. So that implies you can open any time between this scheduled time, and once you start exam, the exam will be only for the duration decided by the teacher. Alright, let us first click on this chemistry slip test opens. Yeah, yeah, this is how it is opening. So chemistry slip test Tuesday 1st of September 4 p.m. So it is starting at this time. I'll click on go to activity. It will directly take me to that particular exam. If you see now, please read it out. Attempts allowed 1. So you can write this exam only once. This quiz opened at Tuesday 1st of September 4 p.m. So evening 4 o'clock this exam has opened. The quiz closes on Tuesday 1st of September to the 6 p.m. So 2 hours of duration. I should write in between these 2 hours of duration. Let me click on attempt quiz now. So when you click on it, it means that you are starting the exam. So just see here, you have total 20 questions. Total 20 questions are there. Of the 20 questions, first 5 are marked in black color. That means the first 5 questions are displayed in first page. Okay, this is question number 5, and after question 5 there is a next page option. So first you have to answer these 5 questions. Let us just check how to answer it. So read the question carefully. This is a multiple choice question, so first you should read it and then select the correct option from the listed below. So after reading it, I'll have to just click on any of the correct options, whatever I am choosing. So and then you can move on to the next question. Click, read the question and answer the second question. Just touch it and it will activate the radio button. Answer all the questions like that. Okay. Okay, if I answered this as B and I wanted to change it again to some other option, then you need not worry. You can click on the correct option again, it will automatically change. So click on the next page once you are done with the first 5 questions. Okay, now here you see 1 2 3 4 5 I have already answered something, so they are marked in gray color. Now I have moved to question number 6 to 10, so they are marked in black color boxes. So 11 to 20 I have not started. Again, the same procedure. Read question carefully and the options. Select the right choice. Okay. Eighth question, I am not answering it. I will leave it blank. Ninth question also, I will leave it blank. 10th question, I will answer. I'll tell you why I am leaving these questions. Okay. So now see, 6 to 10, I have answered 6, 7, and 10. I have left 8 and 9 questions. They are shown in white boxes. So that means I have missed these two questions without answering it. I have moved to 11 and 15, 11 to 15. Again, I'll select here. I'll select, I'll leave this 13th one. 14th, I'll select. 15th, I have selected. And I'll click on next page. Again, see here, 8, 9 I have left blank and 13 I have left it blank. 16 to 20, these are the last set of 5 questions. I can go here, answer them. I can also select whatever choice. Now finish attempt. If I click on finish attempt, it will give me the summary report. See, summary of the attempt. It is saying questions, question number, status, answer saved, answer saved, answer saved. Question number 8 I have not answered, so not yet answered. 9 not yet answered. 12 is answered, 13 is not answered. Similarly, it will say which question is answered and which question is not. There is an option to return to attempt here. So I have not marked anything for 19, 13, 8 and 9. I still have time in my hand. My exam is scheduled for half an hour, let us say, and I have completed total exam in just 10 minutes. Still I have 20 more minutes. So I can go back, return to the attempt, and if I want to attempt 8th question, click on number 8 and it will open the question with question number 8. So I'll select here. Okay, now you are done. I can go to next page, or if I want to go to 19th question directly, click on 19th question, it will take you to 19th question. Yeah, here it is. So answer the 19th question. Finish attempt. Okay, this time 2 times I have verified. 8th question I don't know the answer, I have left it blank. 13th I don't know the answer, I have left it blank. And now it's the time that I should click on this submit all and finish. Do not forget, you should click on the submit button, but also make sure you have answered and verified all your answers. In some exams, there is positive marking and negative marking for the wrong answers. If you answer the question correctly, it will give you +4. If you answer it wrong, it will take -1 mark from your score. And also, this exam is randomized questions. That means the 20 questions what I get and the 20 questions what your friend gets are different. The questions, the question numbers, the multiple options that you see are shuffled. So there is little scope for copying. Do not try that 20th question in your exam and 20th question in your friend exam are the same, and copy his answer to yours. Do not involve in such kind of practices, because the questions will be randomly shuffled and they are not same for all. Alright, I have just clicked on the submit button. It is asking me to confirmation. Once you submit, you will no longer be able to do any changes. Yeah, it's okay, I'm good, I wanted to finish it. Submit all and finish. I have submitted. Can you see here now? Of the 20 questions, immediately after submitting it, I have got my score. So 5 out of 25, 20 questions, that is 25% of the score I have got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 questions I have answered it correct. All other 15 questions are wrong. Okay, immediately it tells you which question is right and which question is wrong. So I have checked my score. Total time taken is 5 minutes and 50 seconds. So in 5 minutes I have answered the entire quiz. My marks are 5 out of 20. For question number 1, I have selected ammonia, but the correct answer is oxygen. For second question, I have selected 2 G atoms of chlorine and it is the right answer. And for the next one, I have selected first option, but the right option is 6 by 1023 or 10 power 23. Yeah, like that. So you can also verify your key. Whatever answer you have selected, whatever correct answer is there here, that is also displayed. And your teacher can also give you the feedback if you have answered it right or if you have answered it wrong. They will also tell you this question is right and this question is wrong. So now I have reviewed all my questions. I can click on finish review. Once done, yes, this is how it is displayed. Your final grade for the quiz is 5 of 20. Anytime you can come back here and click on the review and you can always check your answers. This is where you can practice your slip tests, worksheets, everything. So just in a click, you will get everything. Also, let us try one more option, grades. So grades, in the grades I have 5 marks, just I have written the exam, right? So here it is, slip test. You can also check it here, the same option is displayed for all the exams, for all the activities that you are doing. Everything will be in the user report and it is, this is your progress report. Once again I'm telling you, just click on your name and select grades. Here all the subjects will be displayed which you are enrolled, and there you can get to see all your scores. Well, so please reach out to your corresponding class teachers if you have any doubts, and they'll be assisting you for all the necessary information. Thanks for now. Thank you all. Happy learning.